Marcos from Eccpp Auto Parts, here with our tow mirror built for any 2014 through 2018 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. Our tow mirror is built with an upper adjusted power mirror with power heating, a lower panoramic mirror, manual folding, and manual extenders which increase road safety and visibility. With both our mirrors combined length of 12 inches, a width of 7 inches, and the length of 13 inches when closed, the manual extenders add an extra 4 inches, making it 17 inches in total, maximizing your road safety and visibility. In addition, our towing mirror comes with the same 4-pin mounting locations, OE connector, and base plate as your vehicle for easy installation. Our mirror is designed as a high-quality, low-vibrating replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.